was it? Whoa, what the hell was that? It just flew by. That would be the win. Oh my god. Not to mention that supposed to get some thunderstorms later tonight as well for like literally half the day tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Watching the dog right now just to make sure he doesn't like try to dig up the flowers from the flower bed over there. So yeah, just keeping a close eye on him to make sure he doesn't do anything naughty. That sounded wrong, but you know what I mean. Alright, come on. Oh, he's... Knock it off! Really? Chill out. The fuck? Just kicking up dirt in the damn flower bed. Chill out. Really? Anyways. The life of a dog. Or the life of having a dog, I mean. Knock it off. And if you do that again, there's gonna be problems. Chill out and knock it off. Cut it out. Really? Kicking up dirt in the damn flower bed. Out of all the places to be doing that. Chill out. My god. I mean, really. No, sorry about that. God damn pollen. Luckily, none of it got on me as far as I can tell. Oh, here. Yeah, this is where it all is. Yeah. That's... What the hell? I think I'm gonna move away from that. Pretty sure that's some kind of a bug. Alright, come on, baby boy. Come on. Yeah, I bet you are thirsty. And by the way, you do not kick up dirt in the damn flower bed. You know better. Chill out. Making sure the door's locked. No one in here weirdos is saw about the house again. Well, you will never believe what I just found. You see that? Let me. For those of you who do not know who the hell this is, that is Lightning McQueen from the movie Cars. Wow. Found can't speak. Found him in one of the drawers right here. He was unfortunately covered in a lot of dust, and he's been sitting in there for God knows how long. Yeah, I was being nosy and just searching through everything for really no reason. Oh, I had this in my ear there. But yeah, I washed him off. So yeah, this is bringing back a whole lot of memories. Okay, well, hold on a minute. Let me actually do this outside because I got a feeling this is going to get a little bit messy in here. Sorry for the camera angle. Probably not gonna go right, but you never know. Ow, shit! Hit my eyelid there. This part, I don't know what this, it hit right here, I don't know what that part is. Come on. Ow! Hit my tooth. Ow! Hold on a minute. Let me go check something. Ow! I better not crack my... Because I actually read that people crack their teeth from doing that, and I gotta make something to crack my tooth. Give me a minute here. Alright, so I just... Watch out, big boy. So I said check in, did not crack a tooth, so that's good. Ah, sorry about that. Damn it. Tried to catch it mid-air, but it didn't work out, obviously. Damn it. I'm legitimately tempted to do this. Again. I know this is a waste of food, but I'm just tempted to do this. Hit my mother... Damn! You... Oh, God. Great. Why did I do that? Alright, I found 2 more tries, and if I don't get it, I'm done. This is starting to piss me off. Ugh. 5-second rule, that's bullshit. Once again, 5-second rule, I don't give a shit. Hit my eyelid. That one actually hit my eyelid. Shit. Once again, it's been more than 5 seconds. Fuck! Oh, 5-second rule. Ow. Okay, forget this. You know what? I got an idea. Well, look, I did it. Oh, hell. That just made me thirsty a little bit. Ugh. Was a fail. Damn it. Ugh. Great. Gotta clean all this shit up. Damn it. Oh God, spider webs. Great. Sorry about that camera angle right now. That's bullshit. All this food wasted. Damn. I can't. By the way, I hate being wasteful, by the way. Let's see. I'm gonna count here. 1, 2, 11 pieces of food wasted. Unreal. And like I said, I just cannot stand being wasteful. I hate what the hell is he doing? Oh, I'm trying to scare him. Yeah, I can't stand being wasteful, and also I can't stand other people being wasteful too. So yeah, what are you doing? You stop standing around the corner like that, you're fucking freaking me out. Cut it out. Standing around the corner like that's freaking the hell out of me. Ain't that right, big boy? So I'll clean this shit up later. The rest of it. Oh, and don't mind these 2 pieces. Yeah, see, believe it or not, she tried to do that earlier today, but, well, of course I was able to do it I did it 4 times, and on the 4th attempt, I was able to do it, of course, but of course now I cannot do it on camera. That's what those 2 are doing there. So, yeah. I'm fucking repulsive. Gee, how'd I know? How'd I know it would be a wind advisory? Gee, I did not know. I honestly do not know I honestly do not know that. And yes, I'm being sarcastic. For those who do not understand sarcasm. Yeah, see, turn on the light here so it isn't too dark for me and for the video. Oh, great. And there's gonna be a big gust of wind here. Again. It's been windy like this literally all... What the hell was that? Oh, I thought I heard something. But yeah, it's been windy like this literally all day long too, by the way. Stop mentioning that. Starting to hear a train right now too. Hey, big boy. Don't mind me, Lucas. No, I'm not gonna chill him. I'm scared to scare him. Okay. Oh, I thought he was gonna jump. Whoa. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? I thought this is... I want to see he'll do that again. No, of course not. But the wind was so strong there, the door was literally not even closing. That's ridiculous. Little windmill thing there is going crazy. Oh, I wonder why. Hey, big boy, don't want you to get out. You wanna go in, big boy? Give him crumbs. Anyways, I'm actually gonna end it here and clean the rest of this shit up here. And well, unless if a tree falls down on the house with how big these gusts of wind are, that's gonna be it for now. And ridiculous. Here comes another gust of wind too. Great. Anyways, what the hell is that? I think that's a moth on the glass there. Okay, I didn't know what the hell that was for a second. But yeah. And now that's gonna be it. It's the cat.